we've got movement from two of the red robots and two of the blue robots. That's not the fight. We got a gear, successful gear delivery on both sides. Can they get that center rotor turning? Yes, they both do. So coming out of autonomous, we are tied at 70. There was another gear delivered on the blue side. Two gears delivered during the autonomous phase. And so now it looks like blue will get that second rotor turning early. 2 minutes left in the match. 2 minutes left in the match. 6431 on the blue side is disabled. 6431 is disabled for this match. That's why you see it where it is. 5677 trying to keep hold of the gear. Looks like they'll have to come back to the computer station and get that going. We have both of our airships with 2 rotors turning, so blue has a lead thanks to their superior autonomous score. Blue is going 2 on 3. Does blue have enough with their 2 robots to overcome that deficit? Well, with 90 seconds left, they are leading 135 to 110. 135 to 110 in favor of the Blue Alliance. 80 seconds left, 80 seconds left. Red with another 2 gears delivered successfully. We'll see where that leads. 75 seconds left, 75 seconds left, 135 to 110 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Blue now gets its 3rd rotor turning. Blue has 3 rotors turning, and just as I say that, Red gets its 3rd rotor turning. So 1 minute left in the match, and it's now 175 to 150. Hit collision here in the neutral zone. A gear goes rolling against the far wall. Still 25-point lead over for the Blue Alliance. Once again, Blue Alliance is 2 on 3, 2 on 3. 2451 with a nice gear delivery, little slip through to avoid a collision in the neutral zone. And they go to get another gear. Slip gear delivery from the neutral zone from 5677. Coming up on 35 seconds left in the match. It's still 175-150. Both Blue Alliance and the blue rotors turning. That's the steam whistle. That's the 30-second steam whistle. Pilots can drop ropes. Robots can take flight. Very close match. 4451 says, I'm up. Let's just get this done with. So they do so successfully. Both of the other robots do. Both of the blue robots that are running are successfully up. That gives them a lead. Will they win this match despite being 2 on 3? 2 red robots go up. But it doesn't look like 5677 will make its way up.